tell you something, yeah. I don't understand why when it starts to get hot, everyone's so pressed about babes that wear makeup. Okay, it is hot. We want to look sexy. So I'm here to drop some gems for you guys, you know, so that you can stop being haters and just leave everybody, like, let the people enjoy their things. Bloody hell. It is hot as hell. It's like 28 degrees outside, but I need to step out, and I'm gonna show you guys how to step out in the heat and still look cute. Sis, get your man. He's in women's business talking about, it's too hot to wear makeup. I gotta wear makeup in this weather. Because they can, and they're gonna look good as hell doing it. Let me just get started with a wipe, refresh my skin a bit. I've done my eyebrows already. If you like the way my brows look and you'd like to learn how I achieve this look, please do watch my tutorial on my brows. My holy grail, my must use, must have. This is how you know I'm not a real beauty blogger. This is just a very lightweight and hydrating serum that I use before I apply my makeup. The Nip and Fab Dragon's Blood Fix Serum. Just a little bit of this. Hydration is so key. I don't believe you can achieve a really nice, glowy, skin-like finish with dry skin. What really holds those looks together is hydration. You want the products to melt seamlessly into your skin. So that is my skin prepped. For foundation, I'm just using my Maybelline FitMe in 356. With my Kiko Milano Party All Night Glow Makeup Fixer. Let me tell you about this setting spray. This one, like, you know when you're in the shop, you're buying stuff and they want you to like buy more. It was at the front, and I'm very bad when it comes to keeping my coins in my pocket, so I ended up buying it. Best thing ever. I don't know if they sell it still, but it's making me want to buy more Kiko setting sprays because I trust them now because it's amazing. So spray my face. Let it dry a bit, and when it's not so wet, that's when we're gonna start blending it out. That's foundation done. And I think the worst thing ever in hot weather is to pack makeup on your skin. You don't want to overpower the skin, okay? We're not here to hide the skin, we're here to enhance it. I don't really like my Conceal and Define concealers anymore because I like a really yellow concealer, and this isn't really yellow. So I'm looking for a new one. However, it still does the job. Now, how we're going to apply this is, rather than, I don't know if you watch my, I hope you do watch my videos. Normally I'd like sweep it across and then fan it out. No. Easy does it. Just like that. Dab in. I like looking very bronzed and natural, like a chocolate darling. I don't want to have like a blinding under eye and then everything else is just brown. No, the sun tans, it makes everything look, so we're playing into gold, brown, bronze. That's the colorway I'm going for. So with C13 I've just dabbed it across, and my forehead area, I like highlighting my forehead. I like the contrast it gives there. And then a bit here, my chin area, and then some on my nasal bridge. And then just to brighten it a bit with my C12, just on top a bit, a very little bit. Just dab some there, and then dab some there. Now with my beauty blender, notice how after every step or before every step there's always a bit of moisture added. There's always setting spray applied. moisten your beauty blender and then just press. A little goes a long way, as I said. And bring that over the mouth area. And then my forehead, I'm gonna need to wet this again. And blend that out. And don't forget between the brows. So for this look, I'm not using any powders. Normally I do my highlight and then my contour, then I'll set it all, but nah, because we're trying to keep it dewy and moist and skin-like, and I find powders to be very drying. With my C16 from that same Conceal and Define range, I'm going to contour. Using a Real Techniques contour brush. This is a contour brush, right? It better be. Everything's rubbed off it. Just to blend that out. So you can already see that a lot of warmth has been added back into my skin. A lot more dimension in the face. So I don't extend the concealer all the way to my eyebrows because I like to bring it up. So I stop about here with my concealer and then just bring it upwards so it's not so harsh. The C12 is the lighter of the two concealers that I use, and that's just going to recenter the nasal bridge. I've been watching RuPaul's Drag Race a lot recently, and the way I like contouring my nose now is I don't like doing a straight line, vroom, straight up my face. No, work with your face shape. Triangle, and then slim it down to the point of the nose. Do you see what I mean? Look. Perfection. With a brush to just clean things up. You can see I wet it again. And just like that. And this is actually not a lot of makeup, and if you do think it is, we need to talk. So I used to blend the concealer just to get rid of the harsh lines of demarcation a bit. You need to like clean up the contoured area underneath, like that. Yes, so we're carving our cheekbones, and rather than just going across light dashes, make a big difference because I'm not using as much product. Now, for blush, you can see that I used the hell out of it because it's amazing. It is Rimmel London's Jelly Blush, and this one is shade, I believe, Melon Madness. This one, God's gift. I use a brush, but I feel like I shouldn't be using a brush, but I don't like putting my fingers in it. It's nasty. With a blush brush from Real Techniques, just dab a bit of it there. Look, see the color. And then I apply it the apple of my cheeks and just work it in. I like that it's a wet consistency because it just adds to that natural glowy look. See, look at it, it's just glossy, and I'm gonna overuse the word natural in this video, but just see the difference it makes compared to what a powdered blush would probably do. It adds a light hint of pink, and it just aids with that whole skin finish I'm going for. Okay, sweep it over the forehead area, the tip of the nose a bit, and then just blend that in. I like the color because it's not too pink, it's not too candy pink kind of. That's it, perfect. I look healthy, okay? What else I need to do? I need to highlight. Y'all are gonna judge me. There's something weird I've been doing recently, and I really stand by it. It's changed my life for the better. So there's a lip gloss I've been using as a highlighter. It sounds very bush, but when I tell you guys this, you're gonna thank me. So this is Nip and Fab's lip topper in Shooting Star. Let me just give you guys a quick swatch to some degree, and look at that. This is what I've been using, not solely, but as part of my highlight routine. Where the light is falling naturally, a bit there, a little bit goes a long way. My face, where's the light, where's the light, where's the light? Right there, and there. And then I just buff it out slightly. Wet products, I swear by them. On the tip of my nose, I do like a dot, and then a line a bit above. Just keep looking at things, measuring if they're blended enough. And if you went a bit overboard with that, like me, on my nose, just get a beauty blender, slightly damp, and just mellow it down a bit. For the eyeshadow, I do wear eyeshadow on a hot day. It's not a serious eyeshadow, and it's not an eyeshadow altogether. It's literally just my Mineralise Skin Finish dusted across my eyes, you know, something to just bring the look together a bit. And with a brush, just apply that so it's not like the eyes are naked and the whole rest of the face is dressed. You don't want to leave them out, you know. Just sweep it across, and because it's the same, well, near enough to the same color family as all the other shades I've used on my face, it just makes everything look a bit more uniform. So lashes done. For my lips, we're going to use a brown eyeliner because I cannot find a good lip liner that I like. And NYX's Filler Instinct lip gloss in New Money, and my 3D Hydra Gloss lip gloss from Kiko in, I think, shade 7 or shade 9. And I like this Filler Instinct lip gloss because it's golden, and also because it tingles when I put it on. So put that there, in the outer area. Yeah, so then I put that on the outer area, and then on the inner parts of my lips it's more pink. So we're going from that gold to the pink look. Just to finish the whole look, to tie everything together, back with my setting spray. Just let that dry. So my hair is done. My face, look. glowy, natural, perfect for the heat. I don't feel hot. I don't feel like I've got on a lot of makeup. If you are interested in my hair, I will have a tutorial out on how I installed it. I didn't use any glue. No glue. Thank you for tuning into this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.